So in this video, I am going to show you how you can draw side faded short hair, because in today's world everything is evolving rapidly, and as an artist we also should evolve with the trends. So let's start. Step 1 is to fill the areas with midtones, because you can see that there are not such harsh highlights, and I'll darken the areas which are so dark so that I have an idea about the values. Step 2 is to take a brush and blend it properly, but don't press too hard or you will end up damaging the paper, and further you will struggle in giving highlights. So remember it. Step 3 is to take a mono zero eraser and start applying strokes in the direction of where hairs are going. My advice is to first observe the strokes properly and then apply it. After applying the strokes, take a 8B or 10B pencil and darken the areas which have shadows. Now to give a fade look, you have to give dark strokes after the shadows and make a transition from dark to mid-tones with the strokes, as I'm doing, and it will create an illusion of fade. So you can see that how realistic it is looking, and similarly if you want to learn how to draw nose, then watch the left video, and if you want to know how to make the outline of Rashmika Mandana, then right video is for you. Bye.